Yeah, good day everyone. I go by this guy. You can see this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is the account of one of my students who my software and is doing fine. Is any already as can see on the screen. So remember, I manage accounts for students also. If you get my video course and my software, maybe you need assistance of the account, I manage accounts for my students also. So that's also available. So to get my software and my video course, we should take you step by step on how to use the software to get leads to your affiliate site and start getting sales immediately. You remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.